The pyramids of Egypt are undoubtedly one of the most strange and awe-inspiring structures in the world. Defying time and nature for thousands of years, these ancient masterpieces still stand in all their grandeur. As you can imagine, many people have been trying to solve the mysteries behind these gigantic structures for centuries, including Nikola Tesla, one of the greatest inventors of all time. Though Nikola Tesla left us without getting the recognition he deserved, he managed to uncover the terrifying truths about the pyramids. He only started to become the focus of attention relatively recently. His ideas laid the foundation for the invention of smartphones, wireless internet, alternating current, and many other technologies we use today. In addition to his wild ideas, Tesla expressed his interest in a number of top-secret projects, including the Egyptian pyramids. His journey to decode the secrets of the pyramids started when he was 20, and at that point, he decided to make this issue his life's biggest goal. Made up of approximately 2.5 million stone blocks and weighing 6 million tons, the Egyptian pyramids are mysterious and magnificent structures that attract many visitors from all over the world. Those of you who do not know that these pyramids are filled with unsolved secrets, some of which, especially the pyramid's ability to produce power, have contributed to Nikola Tesla's groundbreaking ideas and inventions. Many people believe that the pyramids were actually the tombs of Egyptian pharaohs. However, the fact that not a single mummy was found in any of them, and that all the mummies are lying in the Valley of the Kings was surprising. Also, there were no native Egyptian inscriptions or art on the pyramids. These facts posed a question that remained unanswered for a long time. Why would so many resources be spent to build such massive structures without any purpose? Now that we know these were neither tombs for the Egyptian pharaohs nor buildings constructed in honor of some gods, we can turn back to Tesla. Nikola Tesla read many books about ancient structures and discovered that the pyramids contained an incredible amount of energy. At that time, very little was known about electricity, and Tesla began to contemplate the possibility of some advanced technologies being hidden inside the pyramids. Ultimately, he became convinced that the power of the pyramids came from electromagnetism. According to him, the pyramids could have been built with a kind of crystal energy, and the chambers inside could have been used to do something on electromagnetic fields. He also defended the theory that materials used in the construction of the Great Pyramid, such as the stones, had the property of storing energy derived from the sun and the moon. Therefore, he suggested that the pyramid could be designed to generate an energy field capable of providing electricity in cities. In 1905, Tesla submitted a patent in the US titled "Art of Transmitting Electrical Energy Through the Natural Medium." The patent outlined the designs of a global generator that collected electrical energy by touching the ionosphere. Tesla saw the world as a gigantic electric generator spinning around two magnetic poles with unlimited energy. In time, he named this triangular design Tesla's electromagnetic pyramid. Furthermore, he believed that the source of energy was not the shape of the pyramids but their locations. Hence, he decided to construct the tower known as Wardencliffe Tower, or Tesla Tower. This tower was built in Colorado Springs and is now known as the Tesla Experiment Station. Based on the pyramid, he considered the pyramid's location and the elliptical orbit of the planet at the equator when building in this region. The tower was based on his theories of how the world could transmit signals. According to Tesla, the prototype would be able to send and receive unlimited data and energy from as far as Paris. Unfortunately, after Tesla's death in 1943, many of his works were seized and hidden by the FBI because of their potential military applications. His most significant project, the Tesla Tower, was dismantled before it could be completed. Despite this, his theories about the pyramids and their potential power source remain an intriguing part of his legacy, inspiring researchers and inventors to this day. According to Tesla, the numbers 3, 6, and 9 form a major key to the universe. This is why they carry great importance for all of us. Tesla proposed that these numbers naturally emerge in the universe, galaxy formations, star formations, evolution, and many patterns in almost all systems. Some believe that his obsession with the numbers 3, 6, and 9 led him to favor the pyramid shape and some basic laws of mathematics. However, Tesla thought these numbers were the basic numbers of the universal language of mathematics. Therefore, he did nothing without the number 3 or a multiple of it. For example, he would circle a building 3 times before entering it. He stayed in hotels where the number of floors and rooms were divisible by 3. He lived in room number 3327 on the 33rd floor of the New Yorker Hotel in New York. Mathematically, 3 plus 3 is equal to 9, which means the hotel was suitable for him. He slept for about 3 hours every night, polished his cutlery and plates with 18 napkins before using them, made decisions in groups of 3, and made sure that the calculations he made about the things around him resulted in a number divisible by 3. These results formed the basis of his choices and decisions. So, what was Tesla trying to tell us with his obsession with the numbers 3, 6, and 9? We are aware that mathematics is a universal language and its laws concern everyone on Earth. Tesla believed that his understanding of this universal language could help us understand the power of the pyramid and its importance for our planet. His theories encouraged us to look beyond the physical shape of the pyramid and investigate its spiritual and energy-related properties. For instance, in Vortex Mathematics, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 2 equals 4, 4 plus 4 equals 8, 8 plus 8 equals 16, 16 plus 16 equals 32, and 32 plus 32 equals 64. You may have noticed that the number patterns only repeat in the form of 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, and 5. Even though these numbers repeat themselves, 3 to 6 and 9 do not follow this pattern. Ancient humans who noticed these patterns in nature adapted them into their constructions. Could we say that Nikola Tesla, referring to the Great Pyramids, was trying to tell us some truths? Let's delve a little deeper and learn the reasons. According to the dimensions of the pyramid, it is only aligned with the compass with an accuracy that can be achieved with modern engineering. The Great Pyramid weighs 6 million tons and consists of 2.5 million stone blocks. It is 146 meters high and covers an area of over 53,000 square meters. Aligning this structure perfectly north is almost impossible due to the fact that the base of the pyramid is signed within 3/4 of 2.5 centimeters. The edges of the pyramid are over 230 meters long, and each edge is within 5 centimeters. Interestingly, the pyramids do not have 4 sides. Each face is slightly convex, and this can only be known when viewed directly or during equinoxes when the pyramid casts a shadow. Whoever built the pyramids had a pretty good idea of the size of the world. If you multiply the 146-meter height of the pyramid by 43,200, you will see that it is within about 17 kilometers of the polar radius of the structure. This is 99% accuracy. Also, if you multiply the base circumference of 921 meters by 43,200, you get a result very close to the circumference of the Earth's equator. Although the Great Pyramid is aligned in the main directions of north, south, east, and west, a 5% margin of error can be observed. However, considering that those who built the structure lived in the Dark Ages, this can be considered quite insignificant. Then a new question arises: how did ancient humans know so much about the dimensions of the planet? As mysterious as it may be, it is a known fact that ancient people attached great importance to equinoxes. The equinox is when night and day are of equal length. With an equinox, the length of night and day is 43,200 seconds. However, most skeptics see the relationship between the size of the world and the equinox as just a coincidence. On the other hand, according to engineer Guyland's horror, the Egyptians could not have used the North Star to align the pyramids. He believed they must have used the autumn equinox to achieve a perfect match in the structures. The use of equinox measurements as a possible alignment method had been previously ignored. This was thought to be because alignment calculations required more precision. He decided to conduct an experiment and found that the autumn equinox could have been used, among other methods. So, what did all this mean? How could the pyramids be a source of energy? The pyramids were built with limestone and other materials transported from far distances. Each of the blocks is placed so tightly that it is impossible to find any gaps. For example, the stones at the top were cut from a quarry about 800 kilometers away and shipped to the area. The exterior of the Great Pyramid of Giza was made from white Tura-type limestone, which does not contain magnesium and therefore insulates electricity. The fact that the interior and compartments were made from electricity-conducting materials makes it possible to control the energy release inside the pyramid. In addition, the blocks used in the interiors are made from another form of limestone blocks that contain a small amount of crystal and metal. Crystals and metals allow for maximum power transfer. It is worth noting that Tesla's tower also works on the same principle as the pyramids. Now let's get to some basics. There are a few elements that allow wireless power to work. These are the sun, the water under the tower or pyramid, and the height at which the tower will be positioned to allow the energy to disperse. The top of the pyramid is made from gold, which is an excellent electrical conductor, and in the middle there is granite, which serves as an energy receiver and transmitter. The combination of these elements results in wireless energy. In a study conducted in 2018, scientists decided to find out how the pyramid could focus on energy. The team used radio waves at different frequencies to determine whether the pyramid could respond to certain electromagnetic waves. Thank you for journeying with us today on Mysterious Discoveries. We hope this exploration of the unknown has sparked your curiosity and fed your sense of wonder. If you found this content interesting and want to continue unearthing secrets with us, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit that bell icon to get notified for our upcoming videos. Have thoughts or theories you'd like to share about today's topic? We'd love to hear from you. Please leave your comments below. Remember, every piece of knowledge helps us get closer to unraveling these mysteries. We're Mysterious Discoveries, and each one of you is a vital part of this exploration. Until our next discovery, stay curious and keep exploring.